Hello, I hope you are doing well. I am Milad Kambari and welcome to another free tutorial. How can we take one image we created with AI and get several different angles from it to give to other AIs? Here I have taken 8 angles. These 8 angles are views that are very useful in the new Hunyuan AI, which is AI 3.1. Why? Because in version 3.1 of its AI, in the multi-image section, Hunyuan has added an option where we can give it 8 photos instead of 4. When you provide 8 photos, it gives us the details much better and with more precision. Now, how can we create 8 views from one model from our single photo without needing to go to image generation AIs and purchase their accounts or subscriptions? How do we do this? I'll bring up Gemini. In Gemini, use these prompts I've provided for you. The first prompt, rotate camera 180 degrees. This is used for the back and gives us a back view. The second prompt, 45 degrees. This actually gives a 45-degree view from the left. The third one is 90 degrees from the left, then 45 degrees from the right, 90 degrees from the right, bird's eye view, which gives us the overhead view, and the next one is bird's eye view but from the back, which is this one. These are the prompts you should use. But let me tell you a very important point. When you give your main photo, the front-facing photo, to the Gemini AI and want to get the rest of the images from it, when you write your prompt, naturally, we set it to image mode. Specifically, we set it to the create image mode and get our photo. Okay. Now, don't just come and write the next prompt here. Meaning, for example, if I take this prompt, don't write the next prompt here and press the submit button again to create a new image. Every time you do this, because it goes back and uses the first image, it lowers the quality of the outputs each time. Constantly, in every stage that you're generating and clicking new image, clicking new generate, because it is going back and using this image, it brings down the quality of our output image. What should we do? Either you have to re-upload the same image every time you provide a prompt, or if you don't want to do this uploading work, come and edit your prompt. Write something, for example, I'll take this one, come here, press Ctrl-V and hit Update. As soon as I hit Update, it starts rebuilding our image and gives us this rebuilt image without a drop in quality. Now I've already entered the prompt for the image. I've created my images beforehand. Let's go to Gemini. Let's go to Hunyuan and see the output together and how to use it. Now it's still generating this. Look how good it turned out. It perfectly gave me the output from the back of this image. Let's go to Hunyuan. In Hunyuan, it says give me the images here. Well, after we've done all of this, we hit the generate button. Since I've already hit generate, I'll show you the output. This is the output of our model. It has maintained the details very well and followed our main references very closely. This is our model that it built. Let's look at its texture too. It has brought out the textures very well and accurately, exactly based on the photo we gave it. When you provide 8 photos, it's natural that the output it gives us is a good one and has created everything very carefully and very well. This is our output. Now, in another tutorial part in the future, I will show you how we can take the output of this, save it, and convert it into a low poly model and bake the main texture from the high poly model to the low poly model. Great job so far!